Hello, my name is Tomáš Mařík and I am the owner of the Notado application. Notado application is designed to be a reservation system for the small businesses, uh, like for example haircut salon or massage. So I will try to answer your question about how Google Access Token is or how I use Google Access Token for the actions which are listed in a private policy, which are accessible from the front page of my site. So I use Google Access Token in my application to create account in Notado application, to create and delete the calendars, to create events, and to read events from the calendars. Okay, to be able to explain it to you how I use the Google Access Token, I need to show you how Notado application works. So first of all, we will create the account using the Google sign-in functionality. And this will redirect me to wizard, which will help me to set up my business. So let's say I am the owner of the Relax Saloon with the domain relax.cz. My opening hours are from Monday till Friday. I don't have open during the Sunday and Saturday, and also during the holiday my business is closed. I provide yoga service, and the massage service. And I have two employees, Anna and Tom, let's say. Okay, now I set up my business. I am providing two services and I have two employees. So what I want to do now is to connect my Notado with my Google Calendar account. So when my customer will create a reservation, I will see it in my Google Calendar. Uh, Connecting the Notado application with my Google account will create a calendar for every employee I have. In this case, this will create calendars for Anna and Tom. So let's check it in my Google Calendar. Let me just refresh the page. And as you can see, there is a calendar named Anna and calendar named Tom. So this was an example how I use Google Access Token to create the calendar. Now imagine I have the web page relax.cz and there is a button which allows my customers to create a reservation. So when I press this button, this will redirect me to relax-cz.notado.cz and my customer will see the form for creating reservation. Let's adjust it a little bit to let me just change the background. Okay, and just the pop-up background as well. And yeah, so after I fill the basic information and I select the service I want, the form will allow me to pick the date and the time for my reservation. So how this is done? Notado application will read all the events from the employee's calendar, and in case that I don't have open during the public holidays, it will also read all the events from the public holiday calendar. And based on this information and based of my opening hours, it will calculate the time availability for selected service and for selected employee. So this was an example how I use Google Access Token to read the events. So after this is done, what happened is that Notado application created the event in a DOM calendar. And yeah, that was an example how I use Google Access Token to create event in the user calendar. And that's it. I hope I answered all your questions, and thank you for your attention.